dry shakers without ice. So we're going to do the dry shake first. Now, what I need you to do is if you have a look at the small half of your shaker, there should have nothing in it, as of now. So what I want you to do is pop that in the top of your big shaker. Now, the way you want to position it in there is you want a straight line going down the back of one side. So if you have a look just like this, we're kind of putting it in at an angle and there we're kind of flushing.
Your fist up a little higher. Perfect. Does that feel comfortable to you? Very good, that was great. And you see there, so that time that was a bit of a better landing.
Oh, that, whoa!
When they land, open.
Don't look at me.
Yeah, see? Happy too.
And if the bird gets heavy, feel free to put your elbows.
Look at me, Joyce.
It doesn't get that heavy.
No, it doesn't feel heavy.
Up your nose, take a deep breath, you can all do what was in here. And then whenever you feel confident, you're going to take a generous mouthful and hold it in your palate for 3 seconds. After those 3 seconds, you're going to swallow and breathe out through your nose. Congratulations, you are now Guinness tasting experts. Now, before we go, do you know the Irish word for cheers?
Slanta.
Slanta, very good. So I'm going to get you all to raise your glasses in 3, 2, 1. Slanta.
Look for C, C, and B. So clean, which it is, cool,
which it also is, and then brand it with the golden harp in the front, which it also is. Now I know that last one sounds a bit silly, but it's actually very important because we're going to use this golden harp as a guide point when we're doing our pour. Now Guinness is poured in two parts. The first part I'm going to explain now. I'm going to get everyone to do it, and then we'll do the second part after everyone's done the first part, so we're not stepping ahead of ourselves and tripping over our own feet, right? So once we have our glass, we're checking for CCB, clean, cool, branded. We're going to grab our golden harp, turn it away from us, facing out towards the customer, and bring it under the tap like so. Now my tap is off, there's going to be no Guinness coming out of this. So we're going to aim our tap directly down on top of the golden harp and get a 45-degree angle. Now once we get this angle, we're going to pull our tap all the way down and let the glass fill up at the bottom of the golden harp. Now once it reaches the bottom of the golden harp, we're going to slowly straighten our glass and let it fill up until the top of the golden harp. And once it reaches the top of the golden harp, we're going to stop our tap and rest it over here on the left hand side, on this side, right hand side. That's the first step for pouring Guinness. Wind that golden harp. Yeah, just all the way down the tap, don't be scared. All the way down the tap, don't be scared. Once it reaches, once it reaches the bottom of the golden harp, slowly straighten your glass. On this, keep going, keep going.
Am I good?
Yeah. 45-degree angle.
Right?
Yeah. Tap all the way down. And then not stop on that tap until it gets to the bottom. So once it reaches the bottom, slowly straighten it. Let it go to the top of the golden harp. And once it reaches that point, it goes. No point in tapping.
Alright. Oh my god, good. Wow.
I'm picking my glass, bring it under the tap, and we're simply pushing our tap backwards instead of pulling it forward. Now the reason we push it backwards instead of pulling it forward is push it back and lets out the best gas. We already have plenty of nitrogen and CO2 gas in our pints, so we're simply just topping it off with beer this time. That's all we're doing. Now the head of the pint of Guinness as well is very, very point. You might notice whenever you get a pint of Guinness, there's a bit of a dome on top of it. That's what we're looking for. So don't be afraid. I'm going to show you right now. When you pour a pint, top of the head, you can move the glass around, jiggle it a bit, and it won't fall off, it won't spill. Because the head is very...
It's not my grad, because it will be under my grad. It is like either one.
Either one, go the same.
No, you
Yeah,
can
more.
consider more?
Yeah, perfect. Total.
Okay. So that's what most people
Might be wrong, it's okay. Oh, sorry. Yes, well, yeah. Ahead of me anyway. Yeah, we'll do a little more if you like. A little more.
Now turn around and smile.
And now focused.